Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. You can see here the broken wheel stud that I just removed, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it and what kind of tool you can use. So this is the kind of tool that I'm going to use. It's a broken wheel stud extractor. It kind of looks like a drill bit, but it's conical and it tightens counterclockwise, not like an ordinary wheel stud. We will see why that's important. So basically, the necessary steps are that you have to drill through the stud to make a big enough hole so you can put the extractor in and fix it. You are fixing it by tightening it. So, as I said before, while you tighten counterclockwise, the stud loosens up and you can pull it out. But enough talking, let's see it in action. It is important to be careful in this step as to not damage the thread, so you have to be sure you have fixed the drill in the middle of the screw. You might want to start with a smaller drill bit first and then go up to the bigger one. So you can see in my case, I was pretty lucky and the wheel stud was not stuck in there. It was enough to just use my hand and the extractor to pull the stud out. So there you have it, guys. Not such a complex job after all. I know it might seem scary at first when it happens to you, but if you have the necessary tools or you are willing to buy them, you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.